Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit?
So today we are going to give our reaction on Major teaser.
Yes,
So,
Major.
Major.
The name itself, Major.
Yes.
Okay, and we
So
have
with the name, I think it is like some soldier kind of
Major
something,
Saab.
right?
हाँ,
Maybe.
पता
Let's
नहीं.
see.
देखते हैं.
Once we go through this teaser, then we will be
We'll
understanding.
be able to understand more.
Yes.
Yes. So we have Adivi Shea, Sobita Sai Manjekar. Okay, and I think this is Mahesh Babu sir's production movie, but Mahesh Babu sir is not there.
I think
Because
so,
here
in starring
cast his name is not there. So here the casts are Adivi Shea, Saini Manjekar, Shovita Dhulipala, Prakash Raj, Revati and Murli Sharma. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very much excited and going forward to see what will be happened in this teaser, Major. Okay.
Right, exactly. And this movie is directed by Sasi Kiran Tikka.
Yes.
Okay.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो बट उससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड आल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes.
Major.
Sandeep, do you copy me? Are you there? What does it mean to be a soldier? సోల్జర్ ఎందుకు కావాలనుకుంటారా? దేశభక్త. వాళ్ళని ఏమంటారు?
పేట్రియట్స్ నాన్న, పేట్రియట్స్ అంటారు. నన్ను బార్డర్లో ఆర్మీ ఎలా ఫైట్ చేయాలి, ఇండియా క్రికెట్ మ్యాచ్ ఎలా గెలవాలి అందరూ ఆలోచిస్తారు. అది దేశభక్తే. దేశాన్ని ప్రేమించడం అందరి పని, వాళ్ళని కాపాడటం సోల్జర్ పని.
Major, how many are there? Major Sandeep, are you there?
Don't come up. I'll handle them.
Wow.
It's coming in 3 languages, I
Three
think.
languages, yes.
And also Hindi is one of them, right?
I'm getting goosebumps.
Exactly. I'm not sure this is based upon any true event or
True
not, but
event.
yes,
Major
particularly that's
Unni Krishnan.
2611 it was there, right?
It is on the biopic of Unni Krishnan, Major
Okay,
Unni Krishnan.
okay,
It was
right,
written
right,
there.
right.
And 2611 का जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था ताज में होटल उसके ऊपर आधारित है.
Anytime, any kind of
gosh.
movie on that particular scene or particular incident, it becomes that
Yes.
will be a fabulous for
Yes,
us. Every
it
time
will give you goosebumps actually.
goosebumps
You
also,
will
and
understand.
it will make you feel more angry on
Yes.
terrorists.
Yes. So I didn't know that one Major was there and he handled all of this thing. Like this is very horrifying, right? You are standing like in front of the terrorist and they have already destroyed the
we have
whole
seen.
circumference and every single thing. People are coming, they are crying, their body parts are here and there, and one Major is taking all of the responsibility,
Control over everything,
So
We
this
have
is
seen,
commendable.
we have seen our soldiers
Yeah.
in army, in enemy side also they got captured, but still they have no fear in their
They
faces.
have no
we have
fear.
seen
We have seen
right?
already. Yes, a lot of videos already we have seen. Lot of movies also
Yes.
we have already seen. So there is actually words will be less. The more you will tell, the less you will explain that how the major contribution are there towards the country from the Indian soldier.
Yes,
So
and
this
whenever
movie I
we
think
watch any movie based upon Indian soldiers or this kind of particular things,
we always get
we
goosebumps.
always feel good, and we
Yes.
always think to watch this kind of movies.
Very true.
Because we will get to know more about the soldiers and their
Yes.
real life, how they are getting trained, what their life phases, and how they are dealing with this kind of situations.
Every single thing.
And generally, one thing will be always there, that they will never never think of their life. They will always think to protect the nationalist countrymen, right?
Yes. And I think Adivi, this movie is going to be a big break for his career. I have not seen him in any of the movies, if I'm not wrong. Maybe he has done some of the movies, but I have not seen. But this movie, I think, will give him a great break, because the character is so strong. If he can able to express as per the soldier's perspective, or you can say the role जो role उनको दिया गया है, if he can make it happen by his own posture and everything. In this teaser it was looking very promising, very
like
much,
whatever
very
we
much.
have seen for Uri, right? Vicky
Yes,
Kaushal, he
Vicky
has
Kaushal.
done great job. He
Great.
has done fantastic job.
Very
So I
true.
think we are expecting him to be
Him also.
doing the same here.
Yes, and he was looking a little bit similar with Mahesh Babu sir.
Huh. I'm
His
not sure
face
he's
and everything
brother
was like
or
his
not.
brother or his
First time
cousin. I don't know.
I thought
Not sure.
it would be same or not. Maybe
Haan.
he can be his brother or cousin brother, right?
Maybe because he's a little bit portion or here and there he was looking kind of like similar.
Side view, if you see,
Yes,
he will
side
look
view.
a little bit similar.
Yes, very true. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Like this movie, this kind of movie, I think in each and every year, this kind of movie should be getting released.
Yes.
Actually, once in a year, at least. Because हम तो देखते हैं ना कि मारपीट हो रहा है, लड़ाई झगड़ा हो रहा है, रोमांटिक मूवीज, ड्रामेटिक मूवीज हम ऑलवेज देखते हैं. लेकिन ऐसा टाइप का मूवी ना इंडियन के अंदर जो जज्बा पैदा करना चाहिए वो करता है, and that is very much
and always
important.
love for the soldiers.
Yes.
This kind of movie brings more love for them.
Yes.
Because
And
we know, we get to see a lot of the things how they are sacrificing their life.
yes,
And,
biopics are always very inspiring.
Of
Very
course,
inspiring.
because they do a lot of the things, and
Yeah.
we don't know anything
Yes.
what they are doing in real life.
Yes, and I must say the VFX and the graphics and whatever they have used here, the animation, because जो ताज के ऊपर वो हुआ ना, वो तो animation था.
exactly.
It was looking very real. It was
very
looking
real.
like
And also-
हो रहा है सामने. It
Yes,
was not looking like any graphics they're using.
And also the music, if you say in a
Yeah.
patriotic kind of movie, generally that music will be heart touching, and that
Heart-touching.
will give you goosebumps.
Yes.
I think here also we have seen like that.
Yes.
It's slow kind of music was there.
The
Sometimes
BGM was very
blasting
powerful.
and all it was there. So it was also powerful, and also it
So
was
good, yeah.
inspiring too as well.
Yes, and also I think two major female characters also we have seen here. Maybe his family belonging.
Yes.
एक लेडी थी ना, वो बच्चे को लेके
yes.
शायद बैठी थी. मतलब can you understand, like can you feel, I'm getting goosebumps, like how difficult situation they have faced at that time because of that terrorist.
Soldier life is
soldier
always
life को नहीं,
always-
मतलब वो जो
okay.
औरत थी वहाँ पे जो
inside that Taj
inside
hotel,
that
right?
Taj hotel, हाँ, because a lot of people were there. No, that time a lot of people have died because of that attack.
Yes, exactly.
Right? बच्चे
Whenever-
थे,
whenever
औरत
we
थे.
feel, whenever we think,
Our
or
bloods
whenever,
are boiling.
Whenever see this kind of things of that Taj hotel, still we see a lot of the pictures
Yes.
and all it comes, right? We always thinks it's means fell into emotion, right?
Always,
it
like,
was very
every
bad.
single time, every
While
single time.
terrorists kill everybody, they didn't think about whom they are killing. Either
They
it
don't
was
have any
Hindu
heart.
or Muslim or Indian or foreigner. They never thought of anybody, right? So they blindly killed everybody.
Yes.
So that
So,
was very
Kasab,
bad.
right?
Yeah.
शायद कसब. So means what
It
to
was
say,
very
what to
bad.
say, like he is, I think that time he was 15 years old, 15 or
not
16
sure,
years
maybe.
old. Yes. And this kind of incident, okay, so matlab, we don't want to get into this because this is very nasty topic to
Yes.
discuss on,
Right.
but yes, we always like think this kind of situation never be happen. The security system of India should be enlarged.
I think
What I
in the
can-
recent
now in
the
recent days it is
it's
very improved.
very good at least.
Improved a lot.
At respect to the earlier, it was
Yes,
happening
yes.
everywhere. Sometime
Yeah.
in UP, sometime in Mumbai, sometime Maharashtra, sometime anywhere. Anywhere it used to happen. But nowadays situation it seems to be
It's under control.
Under control.
Yes. So yeah, that is it for today's video. We are feeling emotional, whenever this kind of movie comes into the
Right.
picture. We always
Those
like think about
scenes,
our
whatever we have seen earlier,
about our
it
countrymen.
flashes in front of our eyes.
Yes. So yeah, this movie is going to be a blockbuster.
Yes.
Blockbuster. Because why? The topic itself is saying every single thing. You don't need to predict anything. The topic itself is a very jabardast topic to discuss, and yeah, this movie is going to be a super duper hit.
Yes.
I can totally say it. And yeah, the teaser itself is deserving 10 on 10 from our side, because the teaser made beautifully. It was having every single important thing whichever needed to have in a teaser.
And
We are
they haven't
eagerly waiting for the
revealed any,
trailer.
any date when this movie
No.
is going to release, or
Yes.
trailer when it is coming. They haven't revealed anything.
Yes, but
So
we are, definitely eagerly waiting for the
maybe
trailer to
in
be
a month
released.
or two,
Ha,
we'll get to
maybe.
know all the things.
Yes, it's a Zabardast teaser we have seen today, and please let us also know in the comment bar how you feel about this teaser. In the comment bar, you can definitely write down like what do you think about the storyline and each and every single thing. And yeah, if you like today's content, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.